How to easily fix Epic Games error code. So if you want to easily fix the Epic Games error code, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your settings. So search for settings, click on it, and then go with the left side where you have the apps and features section on your computer. And here you need to go with installed apps and then find the Epic Games launcher. After that, select it and uninstall it completely. After that, search for network reset in the Windows search bar. Once you find it, click on it. Then click on reset, which is on the right side, and your PC will restart automatically. After that reset is complete, once your system reboots, open your preferred web browser. After that, go to your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with, and then go with Epic Games Launcher and download it from the official website. Then install it again, and that's basically how you can solve the Epic Games error code. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.